Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to start a new series of makeup tips and tricks, quick videos for you to see makeup hacks, how to do different type of eyeliners, how to apply fake lashes, how to apply blush, or so many different types and things that you can learn in a short video. So today's video is going to be dedicated to the eyeliner. Eyeliner is one of my best and favorite makeup techniques. I love wearing eyeliner. I love wearing all sorts of eyeliner, although for some people it's exactly the same, it's just an eyeliner. But believe me, they're all different types of eyeliners and you will see differences now. So today's eyeliner inspiration will be more of Audrey Hepburn inspiration, although it's slightly different. You can see some pictures as references here, and let's keep on going and jump onto the actual tutorial. For today's look, I want to use my Black Track MAC eyeliner, which is my all-time favorite because it's gliding really softly, nicely. So as a starter, if you are new with doing your eyeliner, I would really and honestly recommend you to go for a gel eyeliner. A gel liner MAC is a good option. You can probably find cheaper options. That's for today's tutorial. I will need just this MAC Black Track eyeliner and this brush. So I'm gonna start it from the inner corner of the eye, but because I want to create a thick eyeliner, so I won't be that careful with thin lines. How to achieve the best flick of this one is basically you want the angle to be really high. So you first draw the line to basically measure where exactly and how you want it to be angled. You can do the same on the other eye so that you have the same precise angle, and then they will be exactly the same. So the characteristic of this one is that it has quite sharp angle. So once you have the angle measured and ready, you basically connect your eyeliner to the end of this. And then I would say I'm gonna keep on building here on top. This way I'm building the color, and this way, like with the top of the brush, I'm refining the edges. Even if you think they're not exactly the same and you see some differences, that's okay. Believe me, only you can see the differences. Other people can't even recognize or see the different types of eyeliners, let alone some imperfections. And also on top, every person has a different eye. So this eye is not completely matching this eye with shape, size, and everything. So don't beat yourself up. Don't think that you did not do it correctly, but sometimes it's because of the eye shape. So I hope you guys like the tutorial, and if you do, and if you want to see more of the different eyeliners and how to do them, what type of mistakes to avoid, Please subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down below if you want to see a particular type of eyeliner, and then I will include in this section. So that's it for today. Please like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.